IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. Have you ever given a plant or flowers as a gift? Band 5. Answer.
Yes, I have given flowers before, usually on birthdays or special days. I think flowers are nice and easy to buy, so I choose them when I don't know what else to give.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence. Basic but a little repetitive. Lexical resource. Simple, common words. Grammar, mostly correct, very basic structures. Pronunciation, generally understandable. Typical of a Band 5. Safe, limited, and slightly forgettable. Band 7.5 Answer.
Yes, I've given both flowers and small plants as gifts. Flowers are great for celebrations, but I prefer plants because they last longer and feel more personal, especially if the person enjoys gardening.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence, clear and logically developed. Lexical resource, some variety. Last longer, more personal. Grammar, good control with minor complexity. Pronunciation, clear with natural rhythm. Typical of a Band 7.5. Natural, flexible, and purposeful. Band 9 Answer.
Yes, quite a few times actually. I tend to give plants rather than flowers because they're more sustainable and feel symbolic. If you look after them, they grow. Flowers are beautiful, but they disappear quickly, which makes them feel a bit temporary to me.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence, effortless and well-structured. Lexical resource, precise and nuanced. Sustainable, symbolic. Grammar, wide range used naturally. Pronunciation, confident and expressive. Typical of a Band 9. Thoughtful, natural, and quietly impressive. No verbal peacocking. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.